If you don't like digging into market reports but still want the scoop on hot stocks, then listen up. Vedanta Limited's share price is making headlines with a 5% surge in intraday trading, reaching Rs 504.75. This rally is pushing the stock closer to its one-year high of Rs 506.85. So, what's fueling this upswing? Firstly, hopes of a demand recovery in China are a big factor. As a major consumer of commodities, positive policy changes and developments in China are sparking optimism about increased demand for metals. Secondly, Vedanta's robust financial performance and strategic initiatives are boosting investor confidence. The company's focus on operational efficiency and expansion plans has strengthened its market position. Moreover, increased trading volume and positive market sentiment are further propelling Vedanta's stock upwards. So, if you're an investor keeping an eye on promising stocks, Vedanta is definitely one to watch. Stay tuned for more updates and insights.